Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to add Payoneer account to Amazon seller. So first thing that you will do is simply go to payoneer.com and just simply sign in into your account. And after that, just simply go to the bank accounts on the left side over here. And once you are on the bank account, just simply go for receiving accounts. And now from here, you should be able to see your bank details. So guys, you will have two options. You can go for approved accounts and pending accounts. And if it's approved, you should be able to see your bank details. And if you don't have an account yet, you can just simply click on request account over here and just simply provide the necessary information to create your bank. And guys, I made this table over here so we can better understand. And once you have your bank details, you can just simply go ahead and go to the Amazon Seller Central and just simply log in into your account. And from there, just simply go to the settings. And once you are on the settings, just simply go for the account info. And from there, guys, in the deposit method section, just simply go ahead and choose add. And after that, just simply select your home country that you currently in. And from there, just simply enter your bank location details, which is the bank from your Payoneer account. And after that, just simply enter the local receiving account details matching your Amazon store location. And from there, guys, you should be able to add the Payoneer account to Amazon seller. So just simply provide the necessary information in order to proceed and to make this work. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.